Charlie was gonna jump out the window. Could have smoke in the room, could have killed him.
Brother, which window that? Charlie can't fit through the window there. Charlie cannot fit through that window. Hey! 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 Bomba! No! What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. As you can see from the thumbnail, you know what we're reacting to already. I don't even say much, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Bugzy Malone, Fire in the Boat. I think this is the first one he done. I think this is the first one. I'm not here yet. I don't know what I've been doing. I'm not here yet. Guys, I need your help. I need your help. Tell me which Fire in the Boat to react to. I think this is my fourth one. I done Dizzy Rascal, the latest one. I done Abra. I done Wretch. I know Bugsy. There's one more I done, I think. Keno. I done Keno also too. So let me know which one else I should do. It's worth doing. So let me know. Just let me know. Let me know, please. But I'm gonna do like most of them. Most of them I'm gonna do. Not all of them, but most of them. So let me know which one I want me to do. I'm gonna react to this. I'm not gonna break down because it's not too long if I break down. You understand? So, without further delay, make we play. Yeah. Make we play. Bomba clot, no! Let's go.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh yeah, perfect.
You know what time it is when you hear this, right?
Let's get ready to rumble.
Yo.
This is a young Bugsy. When was this done? Sorry guys, when was this done? 2015. So this is a young Bugsy. Young Bugsy. Alright, 6 years ago. Let's go, Bugs.
Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
Look. Drove past my mum's old house on Berry New Road, the one she got evicted from. Went to McDonald's, ordered a cheeseburger and chips on an addicted one. Then I heard, can I get a picture? Stood there and I took 15 pictures done.
So from them time there, people recognize him in a community up north. Where I'm from, 0121 Manchester, big up Manchester.
15 different kids, I was there on the phone, but I left tongue twisted done. I know I paint pictures with words, but I didn't know I was the gifted one. And now they say I put money on the map, so I hashtag 0161. Drove back past my mum's house, looked through the window on a reministic one. Shouldn't have done that, cause now I'm having flashbacks of the days when I had hectic fun on Super Mario, Donkey Kong, and I was on my Nintendo all day long.
So I'm reminisce about him childhood. Yo, this is one of the reasons why I rate Bugsy. Bugsy sing him live. Not enough of these rappers out here sing frictions, bro. And make up lyrics just to make it sound good. Bugsy sing him live. And for artists to do that, to put them live or put a story in context, talent.
I could hear loud shouting downstairs, back and forth like ping pong. The gift came with a curse. Ever since 10 years old, my head's been gone. Now I wanna climb to the top of the Empire State Building just like King Kong. Had problems with the DVLA, so I was on a bus arriving late. But now the S-line floats like a butterfly. I'm feeling like Cassius Clay, but
So I must say I had problem with the DVLA. DVLA is the driving license thing. Where issue a license to your government website. And shit like that. So he must say him have problem with them. So basically him license wasn't, I don't know if him license is suspend or him never have a full driving license, but him say he was on the bus doing his thing.
Not heavyweight. The only thing heavy is the weight of the world on my shoulder. I used to be afraid of an older until I put in a revolver. I was cold.
I used to be afraid of an older until
on my shoulder. I used to be afraid of an older until I put in a revolver.
Oh, what am I bleeping out? BBC, what I be? I used to be afraid of the order until I put 5 bullets in the revolver. BBC, me not bleep out nothing over here. Let's go.
It's cold then, now I'm colder. I voice note lyrics, you write in a folder. I'll build your lyrics up into a Rizzler and blaze them all like I was a stoner.
Wait. What am saying though?
Used to be afraid of an older until I put in a revolver. I was cold then, now I'm colder. I voice note lyrics, you write in a folder. I'll build your lyrics up into a Rizzler and blaze them all like I was a stoner.
You know what I'm saying though? In voice note lyrics while you write yours. So he must show you say, listen, we are not on the same level. We are a different caliber. I'm too talented. Yeah, hold on, man. Hold on, then, man. Let me get in on my blood clot mood. Let's go.
If you see me and I'm sober thinking, know that I'm an imploder. That means I hold it in, but if I explode, I'll be like vinegar and baking soda. Jesus, I got them thinking, is this guy from Manchester? The word plays heavy just like Sylvester, and I'm taking over like I'm on a Vespa. And when I say I got boxes of cheese, I'm not talking about Red Leicester.
What them say about boxes of cheese? You're not about Red Leicester. Box of cheese, the weed, cheese, skunk. Cheese.
And why do I laugh at MCs? A king will always laugh at a jester. A Porsche will always pass a Fiesta. You're looking at Manchester's best. I'm from a place where nobody's impressed and don't want to see nobody progress.
The confidence I've been with this guy from day one, dog. It's not because I'm rich now and I'm more famous now than this. I'm confident. No. I'm confident from day one. The man said the reason why I laugh at MCs, brother. Because a king laugh at a jester. Jesus Christ, let's go.
So they take shots in my ego, but I got a built-in stab-proof vest. I've been stabbed in the back so much, I'm like Jesus in the Passion of Christ. I was sat counting about 25 grand. I got delusional. The Queen started talking. I was like, Queen, why is everyone warring? She said politics are boring.
So the Queen started talking to him. You know what the Queen? What him say he was doing before that? He was counting 25 bucks, 25 grand. The money, the Queen face, the money, the 50s, the 20s, the 10s. And a couple fives. I was counting that. And the Queen started talking. So listen to him and the Queen conversation.
The Queen started talking. I was like, Queen, why is everyone warring? She said politics are boring. Cause he saw propaganda and comes down to the fact that money's more important than poverty and feeding the poor. The rich get rich, we get ignored.
What the Queen say? No, what the Queen say good. Sorry, people. Sorry.
Why is everyone warring? She said politics are boring. Cause he saw propaganda and comes down to the fact that money's more important than poverty and feeding the poor. The rich get rich, we get ignored. Middle class people that have done everything what the government told them struggle to pay bills cause when they go to the bank, he says their account's been frozen.
That's facts. Yo,
damn right, I'm taking doors off hinges. I'm running in through the hallway, holding a big boy sword like a Viking, but I never been from Norway. Anybody comes at me, I stick it right in cause I don't do foreplay. I make a man bleed thick, so it looks like tomato puree.
Anybody comes at me, I stick it right in because I'm in the foreplay. You know, sex foreplay, just skip the foreplay. Intercourse time, that the man I say, yo, me stick it in, but it's not the sex I'm talking about, it's the sword.
Holding a big boy sword like a Viking, but I never been from Norway. Anybody comes at me, I stick it right in cause I don't do foreplay. I make a man bleed thick, so it looks like tomato puree. You're looking at Bugzy Malone, every video's a new part of my story. And I was born back in 1990, so now we're on about episode 40.
This guy's a monster with the lyrics, bro. The man I tell you, be a fact, the man I tell you right here, so. 19.
Say look when I'm spitting, cause I spit bars in high definition. It's like watching a widescreen television, and this one here's like 007. Why? Cause I'm on a one-man mission to put my town on the map. I'm repping, but I'm worse than a nuclear weapon, cause I make your whole town go missing.
The whole of your town go missing. You know what that mean, dog? Do you know what that mean, brother?
I know when I've said something sick, when I see a man's head start tilting, I'm like Wolverine from the X-Men, cause the metal is built in. I've not set fire to the roof, I've set fire to the whole building. Charlie was gonna jump out the window, cause the smoke in the room could've killed him.
Brother, which window that? Charlie can't fit through the window there. Charlie cannot fit through that window. You know see Charlie big? Him last week now, cause 2021 now. Them time that Charlie big like barrel. Then Charlie, no disrespect here, but it is big for true, brother. No disrespect, but it is big, Charlie. Yeah, brother, you can't fit through the window there. Smoke I go kill you. Smoke I go kill you in a fire in the boat when Bugsy done with you.
Fire to the whole building. Charlie was gonna jump out the window, cause the smoke in the room could've killed him. Drove past my mum's old house on Berry New Road, the one I got evicted from.
Okay, so hold on. Isn't this the first fire in the boat? I thought this was the part one.
The smoke in the room could've killed him.
Smoke in the boat could have killed him. So that means the first one gone already when them set fire to the boat. Let me hear the part again.
Set fire to the whole building. Charlie was cause the Met on sick. When I see a man's head start tilting, I'm like Wolverine from the X-Men, cause the metal is built in. I've not set fire to the roof, I've set fire to the whole building. Charlie was gonna jump out the window, could have smoke in the room, could have killed him. Drove past my mum's old house on Berry New Road, the one I got evicted from. Drove straight past, onto the motorway and straight into the distance done. Looked in my rearview mirror, thinking about the past on a majestic one. Cause if I didn't go through what I went through, then I probably would've never wrote this song. Bugzy Malone, 0161, money on the map.
If he never got you, him wouldn't find the words, he wouldn't have the story for telling this song. That's what the boss I tell you. So sometime, more time you might be going through might be going through hell, but you have to go through hell to get to heaven. You see me? Right now he's doing what he loves. Music.
You're an animal, fam! Straight animal!
You can't fit through the window.
Chase!
0161.
You couldn't fit through the window. Well done for losing me, also, Charlie.
Bugzy Malone, money in the 𝐂𝐍.
Yeah.
Kid is an animal. He's gone past the problem, fam.
Okay,
Jeez.
listen. Bugzy Malone.
Let's
we
get
go.
him, fam. Let's get him.
Go and turn this one up in headphones. It's about to get crazy.
Here we go.
0161. BBC One Extra, fire in the booth.
Yeah.
Anti Charlie Slough.
Don't know.
Get me?
Let's get him,
Listen.
Bugsy. Let's turn up, fam.
Yo.
Turn up.
Listen, there's a lot to be said, a lot to be told, a lot to be confessed. I'm holding dose, I'm overly stressed. I wear my hat low, cause I'm known to the feds.
He just switched another gear. Like at first he was in like second gear. The first song was in second gear. Now him drum third, now him there fourth. Right now him there fourth gear. Him say him at low because him known by the feds, so him have to try and this guy.
Trying to be cool, but I'm losing my head. Plus I heard a couple man wanting me dead. Tell them man that we got the machine, and I see them when you get out of pen music. I see them when they hit road. I be on your TV and your stereo. I be on your BlackBerry and your iPhone. Everybody knows about Bugzy Malone, but I
You hear that? I would be on your BlackBerry and your iPhone. So from BlackBerry days 2015, the man I tell you
gotta
about.
confess, in 010 I fell off. Made 10 quid, made bear man jealous. Spent every penny in about 6 weeks, but I don't care now that I'm back well off. Fuck bitches, I just do big bits. I'm just trying to get rid of boxes like Kellogg's. So
Fuck big bitches, I just do big bits. I'm just trying to get rid of boxes like Kellogg cornflakes, or cereal, sorry. Yeah.
can get the Kawasaki Ninja, matte black, I'm a rider, and they forgot me, a machine, ninja, red up. Tell my man I'll take his head off. I die for my family and that's on my mum's life. Did they forget these, my brother? Did they forget I come from the gutter and I spent 07 in the slammer? Never seen the summer, they let me out, and I ate man like I never had a dinner. Pray to the Lord like I never been a sinner. Take off the front door like I'm onto a winner.
Alright. This is for the Jamaicans them we are pre this. We are watch a reaction here. When him say him ate man like him never have dinner, it means him rob people, dog. Cause me know say Killer Biggs, me know say you gonna put your wine in the comment section and shit like that. Why and this and that, yeah. The UK man them speak different from we Jamaicans. So the man that say, yo, we ate man. Them eat, him ate man, eat your food. Him come in the yard and eat your food. Not your food where you cooking on your party now. Your money. Come and rob you, take your money and your drugs. And your food, yeah, that's how
You
it
can't
means.
buy my freedom. Every day I wake up, you would have thought I was a roulette spinner. I go in, they just go in. I'm Bugzy Malone, the wickedest thing since Lucifer dropped with a broken wing. They spill the beans like an open tin, but I'm ODT, so I'm on this thing. Tell them Gunchester run this thing. I f them up, put the ting in the mouth, I make the legs shake. Bondage ting, yo, I'm the general, frontline soldier. Run this grime thing 10 times over. Go tell Chipmunk not to be cheeky. Grime is a roll ting, my man's hopeless. Go
Yo, the man say, go tell Chipmunk not to be cheeky.
this grime thing 10 times over. Go tell Chipmunk not to be cheeky. Grime is a roll ting, my man's hopeless. Go make a pop tune. Fuck your A's and B's. You went from Chip Diddy Chip to the streets. Oops a daisy, I'm not in your league.
This is when them in that clash. Guys, if you don't want me to react to that clash, because honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you and tell you the truth. The only song me hear from that is which one? A Chipmunk? No, Bugsy. What am I say? Which song is it? Me hear a song, man. Me hear one song with it, man. Just one. With Bugsy. Is it by the relegation rhythm? Relegation rhythm name, I think. One song me hear with Bugsy, dog. One song. Hold on, man. Me no want tell no lie. So if you don't want me react to this this thing here, let me know. If you don't want me react to that clash, your dog. I don't have the Bugsy on my playlist on my phone. Oh, what's this song? What am I say? Chipmunk look like him have something on the back of him head. That song they alone me hear a fight. You see me after the clash. So if you want me react to the whole clash, let me know, dog. Like send me the tunes in order. Someone put the tunes in order of how the clash started and how it ended. Even though they're my friend now, I still gonna react.
Well, I've been on the road playing hide and seek, hide from the feds, seek my enemies. It's like I've got some freaky disease. Cause when I say turn into the devil, it's like bare bitches drop to the knees. I've been dissecting boxes of cheese since I was 18. I had 5 workers, that's 5 phones. 5 days in, we made 5 G's. That's
ooh, mathematics. He had 5 phones, 5 workers. 5 days in, 5 G's. Aji idea.
2 grand profit, have you gone mad? I made 10 grand in about 5 weeks. That's no secret, man, know me. Bugzy Malone's not just an MC. I got locked up, age 16, so fuck Chipmunk in his A's and B's. I rep this grime thing properly. 0161, watch how they walk with me. Trust me, watch how they walk with me. And fuck that though, cause I spent that fast. No money management, fucking with cash. These days, man, they'll say fuck the past. Nowadays, my whip's better than your dad's. My old headmaster used to have a Jag. Now that I'm buying and selling those whips, I got one of them parts up on the path. Tell the headmaster my S-line's faster, and I'm still going on wicked and bad.
And I tell the headmaster say headline faster. So the headmaster obviously is a professor in my head teacher at the school, and we probably used to see Bugsy getting in trouble. And I tell Bugsy say, yo, if him not change him life, him not go turn out to nothing. Now the man I tell you say, pussy me turn out better than you right now. Me have more money than you in the bank. I'm a care faster than your one. Think about that. How you feel? You feel nice? Let's go.
Expel me? Are you having a laugh? Everyone knows the recession is bad. You might as well go remortgage your gaff or downgrade. Now that I'm paid, I'll put the mortgage dipper on that. I'll pay the mortgage dipper plug. Yo, fuck the headmaster and everyone I beat up. Cause it's your fault that I'm on this path. It's your fault that I seen man get stabbed. It's your fault I nearly got shot in the back. It's also your fault that I'm on a track. And I make way more money in the trap. I'm Bugzy Malone, going on cold. Now they say I put money on the map. Oh, I put money on the map. Yo. Bugzy Malone, 0161. Money on the map.
Jeez!
Yeah.
My life,
That was fire.
Yeah.
Stop the record, man.
That was fire. But I'm sure there's better ones than this. I'm sure him do better one than this. Also the next question is, did Chipmunk reply to this? Did Chipmunk reply to him in our daily dopey? Guys, just give me a list, please. Give me a list. Tonight Friday night. Friday. You probably watch it Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, our next day. But I'm Friday. I have nothing to do. Let's give me a song for react to.
Jeez.
Give me.
I'm putting that right now. I'm putting money on you, fam.
Yeah.
Give me a song.
You getting
Yes.
co-sign right now. This kid is an animal. And let me just say, the whole thing was one take. No stopping, no starting. One take. No edits, fam. Watch out for this kid.
Money on the
True.
map.
Bugzy Malone, fam.
True. No joke. Watch out for him. But you're trying to see it. I'm putting money on this kid. Yo. Guys, anyway, let me know which song, which fire in the boat to react to. Just give me the list. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, whatever. Let me know, because I'm going to go through them. I'm going to go through the good ones, them. I'm sure all of them good in their own right, but I'm gonna go through the banging ones them. Alright? So guys, please subscribe around here if you're new. Big up Bugsy, big up Charlie. You couldn't fit through the window though, Charlie. We know that. At that point you couldn't fit through the window. So don't lie, don't tell no lie. Me gone.